DIYing your wedding probably seemed like a great idea at first, but now you're stressed, second guessing everything, and probably wondering, was it even worth it? The truth is, you don't have to do this alone. Let me show you how to plan smarter without the full service price tag. You've pinned, you saved, you scrolled through more ideas than you can even count. The further you go, the less clarity you have. That's because the generic checklist and the free advice from family doesn't actually take into account your wedding day, including your wedding day timeline, your budget, and priorities. If you keep DIYing blindly, here's what will probably happen. You will end up overspending on the wrong things. You will make rush decisions, and you'll have a wedding that doesn't feel like you. So, what's the good news? There's a smarter way with a simple phase based approach to know exactly what to focus on in the right order and what to do next, meaning no more stress and no more wasted time. So, if you are done wasting time on DIYing and you want clarity, let's get my eyes on your wedding. Book a wedding planning audit with me, and I'll make sure that your wedding plan actually works and it feels like you. You don't have to plan your wedding alone. Let's stop the stress and start building the celebration that you actually want, feels like you, and you deserve.